everyone, Miss Rita here and welcome to my channel. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Children, we are going to learn about a sample space. Now what is sample space? The set of all possible outcome result of a random experiment is called the sample space. It is denoted by the capital S or the sign of Greek letter omega, which is written in the red color. The number of element in the set S is denoted by N stand for number, and in the bracket it is given capital S. So here we read number of S means number of sample space. So number of sample space is finite number sample space. There is not infinite, it is a finite, limited. Like a dice is thrown, there are 6 sample will be there. A coin is thrown, toss, 2 sample will be there, means it will be a finite number. Okay, so I think so here you have understood about the sample space. Now let's move to the some example of sample space. One coin is tossed, so here S will be head and tail. There are 2 possibility, either it will be a head or tail. Whenever you write a sample space, the brackets will be curly bracket, which is I have done in the screen. Number of S will be, how many elements are there? 2 elements. Number of S will be 2. Now 2 coins are tossed. So here 2 coins are tossed means both will be the head, your head and tail, 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 tail and head. It means that number of sample will be 4. Now student, if 3 coins are tossed means all the 3 coin will be head, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head. Yeah, head one is part is done. Not all the 3 coin is tail, 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 head, tail, and head, tail, tail. It means total possibility is number of sample is 8. If 1 coin will toss, sample will be 2. If 2 coins are tossed, sample will be 4. If 3 coins are tossed, and the sample will be 8. A die is thrown. Die, you know. If a die is thrown, the sample will be the number from 1 to 6. Therefore, number of S will be 6. Understood? Now, some more samples are there. Now, 2 dice are thrown. Both the dice are thrown. It may be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. It may be 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. The next one, the first die will be 4. The next dice will be changed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first dice will be 5. The second dice will be changed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This first dice will be 6. Next dice will change till the 6. Total number of sample means 36 will come if 2 dice are thrown. Now a card is drawn from the pack bearing number from 1 to 25. It means the sample will be from 1 to 25. Therefore the number of sample will be 25. Now 7th one. A card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. It means that there will be a diamond, ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen and king. Same way for the spade, heart and club. So total how many samples are there? 52 samples are there. So here we have learned about the sample space, or we can say sample point. Now let's start with the practice set number 5.2. Children, question number 1 is given. For each of the following experiment, write sample space S and number of sample point number of S with the denoted letter. The first one is given. 1 coin and 1 die are thrown simultaneously. 1 coin, 1 die. It means sample will be H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 with the head. T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. So here number of sample will be 12. The second question is given. 2-digit numbers are formed using digit 2, 3, 5 without repeating a digit. Without repeating means like 22, 33 and 55 will not come. Repeated number will not come. So here will form the numbers 23 and 25 from 2. From 3 what we can form? 32 and 35. From 5, what we can form 52 and 53. So number of sample will be how much? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are samples are given. This figure is given. The arrow is rotated and it stop randomly on the disc. Find out on which color it may stop. There how many colors are given? 6 colors are given. Sample will come red, orange, yellow, blue, green, purple. Sample is how much? 6. Now next one is given. This calendar is given of the March 2019. In the month of March 2019, find the days on which the date is multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 means the table of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. Because the dates are till 30 only. So the date 5 has a Tuesday, 10 have the Sunday, 15 date have the Friday, 20 date have the Wednesday, and the 25 date have the Monday, and 30 date have the Saturday. So as per the days we have to write Tuesday, Sunday, Friday, Saturday, Wednesday, Monday and Saturday. So how many samples are there? 6 samples are there here. The fourth one is given. Form a road safety committee of 2 from 2 boys B1, B2 and 2 girls G1, G2. Complete the following activity to write the sample space. Committee of 2 boys means B1, B2 will come. Committee of 2 girls means G1, G2 will come. So here it is given committee of 1 boy and 1 girl. So B1, G1, B1, G2 will come. And B2, G1 will come, B2, G2 will come. So here committee of 1 boy, 1 girl is formed. Now here we have to write sample. So from B1, how many group we can form? B1, B2, B1, G1, B1, G2. From B1 we are done. B1 will cancel now. Now from B2, B2, G1, B2, G2. Now B2 is cancel. Now what is it mean? G1, G2. Done. G1 is also cancel. Now G2 is alone remain. So here G2 will cannot form the committee now. It means total how many committees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. I hope you have understood the 5.2. Please like, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.